Automatically add data from your completed forms to your connected Google Workspace with the Add Form Data to your Google Sheet workflow recipe. To get started, navigate to the Workflows tab and click Create Workflow in the upper right-hand corner. Scroll through the workflow tiles and click on the recipe titled Add Form Data to your Google Sheet. As a best practice, we recommend naming your workflow. Click on the pencil icon in the upper left-hand corner to rename your workflow. For this example, we'll set this up specifically for our work order template, so we'll name this accordingly. In step 1, we'll select the template we would like for this to fire for, and leave it to be completed by anyone. Then click Next. In step 2, we'll start by selecting our existing Google Workspace connection or adding a connection and following the on-screen prompts. We'll then click into the Destination Spreadsheet and Destination Sheet tab to select where we would like for this data to map to. Lastly, we'll select which specific columns we'd like data from our form to map to on our sheet. Once we've mapped our columns to our values, we can click Publish to set this live. And that's it. As always, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.